Indiabulls Real Estate is the stock in focus as the company delivered a robust quarterly results update. Along with that, the company also provided an update as far as the entire merger proceedings with Embassy is concerned. Now, when you're talking about the entire scenario as far as the company's merger proceedings with Embassy or NAM Estates is concerned, only the NCLT nod is now pending. Rest all of the nods has been received by the companies for a total comprehensive merger of all of their assets. So now looking at the results first, consolidated revenues coming in at 349 crore, clearly indicating the kind of healthy sales momentum that most of the real estate players across the country have seen. Strong rebound post-COVID weakness, and this again indicates the kind of traction that new launches are seeing, especially across the MMR region. Along with that, when you're talking about the profitability coming in at 5.5 crore versus a loss of 76 crore on a year-on-year basis. Very important update is that the company's non-executive director and chairman, erstwhile promoter, Mr. Gehlaut, has tendered his resignation, and this resignation is effective from December 31st, 2021. The merger with Embassy Estates is now on track. Application for approval of the merger with NCLT is now listed in the current quarter. Nods for this particular merger has already been received from SEBI, has received from stock exchanges, Competition Commission of India, as well as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs as far as the Hyderabad office is concerned. When we're talking about the entire merger process, remember, this now means that the Embassy Group would be listed, and assets of the Embassy Group, promoted by Jitu Gurwani, very well-known name as far as the entire realty, both commercial and residential market is concerned. Assets of the entire Embassy Group will be merged with Indiabulls Real Estate. Merged entity will have a mix of commercial as well as residential assets. The new promoter would be Mr. Jitendra Virwani, chairman of the Embassy Group. Combined entity or Indiabulls Real Estate that is listed on the stock exchange will be renamed as Embassy Developments Limited. Indiabulls Real Estate at the time of merger announcement was valued at 92.5 rupees a share. Of course, the current market price is well above that. Swap ratio is at 6.619 shares of Indiabulls Real Estate for every 10 shares of NAM Estate. Now, having a look at both of the companies and the parameters, remember, Embassy has residential and commercial assets totaling around 56.2 million square feet, with 11 projects spread across Bangalore and Chennai, and the residential commercial mix as far as the total revenue pie is concerned, residential contributes around 25%, while commercial contributes around 75%. Coming to Indiabulls Real Estate, it's a residential real estate mainly after hiring off most of the commercial assets that the company has, 24.5 million square feet, roughly less than half of what is the total, area that Embassy currently enjoys. 19 projects spread across MMR, NCR, Indore, lot of places, and residential to commercial mix is 95% to 5%. So clearly, when you're going to merge these two entities, an indication of the consolidation that the sector is seeing, it's going to be a very large listed entity, giving a direct play across most of the metro markets of India that have now seen quite a bit of a resurgence as far as the entire real estate space is concerned.